Hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the 1/144 high grade, the Witch from Mercury Gundam Pharact. Yes, this is one badass mobile suit, as this is a very wicked sniper. So in the box art, like what we can see here, is the same aesthetics as both from the Refreet, the Bigger Bayo, and of course Ariel, and all the other Witch from Mercury high grade box arts. And we see here Gundam Pharact here taking a shot at Ariel. So off to the side, we see here Gundam Pharact, some details and poses and gimmicks that you can do with him. And off to the other side, we see Gundam Pharact back and front. We see the pilot and of course details of the show. And let's take a look what's inside the box. So first off, we are greeted with one bag with 2 sprues, 1 multicolored, a sticker sheet, and an all gray. Second bag is dark gray or black. Yeah, 2 sprues or black or dark gray. We'll see. Another bag with 3 sprues, a effect parts for the green beam sabers, parts for the frame that are gray, and a dark black or dark gray-ish sprue. And of course, let's not forget the instruction manual we're in. It is very detailed and it will tell you which sprues you need. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have red, yellow, white, and some clear or clear smoke color. So that's the A sprue of Pharact. We also have a B1, which is, let's see, what is really this color? It's like a dark gray, bluish gray something. More parts, so the main sniper rifle is here, wow. Parts of the head and body, most parts of these armor. And another B2, which is of the same color. So more parts for his armor, and I think this is for his backpack. A C sprue, which is again more parts of his armor. Same color. A D sprue, which is a light gray. I think these are more parts for the frames. Yeah, and the joints. An E sprue, same color, light gray, so more parts for the joints actually. Yeah. And a saber beam effect, a clear green one. And of course, they did give us a sticker sheet, a very small sticker sheet actually. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That's what's inside the box of the high grade The Witch from Mercury Gundam Pharact. And of course, this was bought from Hobby Toys Laguna, so I'll be putting a link down in the description below. Please do go visit them and of course buy some kits from them. And if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and sharing the videos. And this is Mixerwars saying, until next time, see you and thank you.